Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Chris in Tennessee on the RCI-2995DXHP. Chris, man, we got you all fixed up here. You got your digital echo board you want installed right there. We did just that. Guys, this is where we typically will install them unless otherwise, if you comment, we can put them on the side or back. You have to put that in the comments at checkout. Got your talk back you added. Then, of course, the high cut filter and amp on-off switch back here. Got that as well. Unlike clarifier, power supply beefed up, regulator, audio, power mods, etc. So let's just get right to it. Our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. And we set it at 5 watts all the way down, so you have plenty of adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 60 all the way up. And average power swing, low, about 140 bird. 500 watt slug in. Peak power, low, 300 on the money. Now, Chris, we're going to get it out to you, man. I appreciate it very much. Appreciate your patience. Guys, we are catching up, making track. Once we get all these 95s knocked out, we are going to be really, really close to the front line. Hope you enjoy it. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.